G'day folks, it's Laura here, and today I'm going to do a flip cup pour, this time in a combination of bluey green kind of colours with a little bit of Naples yellow and gold. So my colours today are blue violet, celadon, jade, Naples yellow hue, pale gold and titanium white. Now I'm going to be using my standard pouring medium for this, and I'll link to a video on how to make this if you're interested. For the blue violet, I have less paint in here than for the other colors because it is a very deep pigment, and I'm just going to add a small amount of the pouring medium. These other colors are going to get a lot more pouring medium. So it's time to layer my cup now, and I'm going to use my standard cell activator for this. I'll link to a video on how to make this if you're interested. So this is the Amsterdam titanium white version of the cell activator, but I also have a lamp black version of the same type of cell activator, which I'll use just a couple of drops for some interest. So I'm going to start by layering a generous layer of the cell activator on the bottom of the cup. I've already prepared my canvas. This is the front of the canvas. This is the back of the canvas. I've added painter's tape as well as giant push pins. So now it's time to flip the cup. Wow, I'm liking some of the patterns in this one. So I'm just going to get the rest of the paint out of the cup and cover the edges and the corners. I'm just going to use some table paint for the edges and the corners as well, because it's in roughly the right kind of hue. Wow, so this one's very interesting. I've got a lot of lacing happening and some fairly subtle lacing as well as more distinct lacing. Most of my paint is in this diagonal here, so what I will try to do is just bring it down to these corners just a little bit before I spin it, so that I don't lose all of the paint off those two corners. I was wondering whether I was going to lose those sections there, which did happen in the end, but I think it should be okay, because I think this has got a lot of nice movement to it as it is. So I'm just going to spin it out from here. Actually, I might need to pull it back down this way just a little bit, just to try and balance that paint. Okay. Here we go, we're just about off all of the corners. This is a funny little blip here that I might just pull off. Wow, I'm loving this one. I think this one turned out really beautifully, and I think the main feature of it is this stripe of the blue violet, and then also this little bit of subtle black cell activator that came in here, and the Naples yellow as well. I think that worked out really nicely. Happy with this one.